5 more small businesses anyone can start in 2026. Low investment ideas, part 2. What if I told you that some of the most profitable businesses today don't require huge investment, and one of the businesses in this video can be started with just a laptop and internet connection? In the previous video, we talked about 5 powerful small business ideas, but today, I'm going to share 5 more businesses that beginners can start immediately. And the last idea in this video is one of the fastest growing security businesses today, so make sure you watch till the end. Welcome back to Lakh Biz. I'm Vishal Arya, and let's begin. We discussed yoga center, catering business, travel agency, fast food stall, and chocolate cafe business. And many of you asked for more business ideas. So today we are continuing the list. Let's start with business idea number 6, which is fitness programs. The fitness industry is exploding worldwide. People today want weight loss, muscle building, and a healthy lifestyle, but many people don't know how to start their fitness journey. That's where fitness coaches come in. If you have knowledge of fitness training, you can start offering programs such as weight loss plans, home workout training, personal fitness coaching, or transformation challenges. And the best part is, you don't even need a gym. Many fitness trainers today earn through online classes, Zoom sessions, YouTube content, and paid transformation programs. For example, if you sell a 3-month fitness program for 5,000 rupees and 100 people join, that becomes 5 lakh rupees revenue. And some trainers are building entire personal brands through social media. Now the next business idea is very interesting because it focuses on only one product. Business idea 7 is one product restaurant. Most restaurants make a mistake. They try to sell too many items. But some of the most successful food businesses focus on just one product. For example, momo shops, dosa restaurants, tea cafes, or chole bhature stalls. Businesses become famous for one special item customers remember them for, that specific food. And because the menu is simple, costs are lower, operations are easier, and food quality stays consistent. That only sells premium momos, or a cafe that specializes in kulhad chai. Many food brands today started with one single product idea. Now the next business idea is completely different, and it is growing because of that. Business idea 8 is website security services. Today, almost every business has a website, but with the internet comes a big problem, which is cyber attacks. Websites face threats such as hacking, malware, viruses, and data theft. Because of this, companies need experts who can protect their websites. If you have IT knowledge, you can start a website security service business. Your services can include malware removal, website protection, server monitoring, and security audits. Your clients can be small businesses, bloggers, e-commerce stores, and startups. And the powerful part is, this business can run completely online, which means you can serve clients from anywhere in the world. Now the next business idea is even more important in the digital age, because today data is more valuable than gold. Business idea 9 is data backup services. Businesses store enormous amounts of data, like customer information, financial records, and project files. And if that data is lost, it can cause huge problems. That's why companies invest in data backup systems. This creates a business opportunity called data backup services. You can help companies protect their information by offering cloud backups, secure storage, disaster recovery solutions, and data restoration services. Your clients can include offices, hospitals, schools, photographers, or content creators. As businesses move more operations online, the demand for data protection will only grow. But the last business idea in this video is becoming extremely popular because security is becoming a major concern everywhere. Business idea 10 is CCTV installation. Business security cameras are now used almost everywhere. You can find them in homes, offices, shops, apartments, or warehouses because people want to protect their property. This creates a strong opportunity. For a CCTV installation business, your services can include selling CCTV cameras, installing surveillance systems, maintenance services, and security consultation. Even small shops today install CCTV systems. A single installation project can generate 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees revenue. and if you build strong relationships with suppliers and customers, this business can grow very quickly. So today we explored 5 more powerful small business ideas: fitness programs, one product restaurant, website security service, data backup services, and CCTV installation business. All of these businesses can start small and grow big over time. Now, I want to ask you something. Which business idea interested you the most? Comment below with the number 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. And if you want a free PDF guide explaining how to start these businesses step by step, here's what you need to do. First, like this video. Second, subscribe to Lakh's channel. Third, comment the number of the business idea you liked. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, Lakh for more business insights. You'll find the link in the description. This is Vishal Arya, and I'll see you in the next video with 5 more powerful business ideas.